Oh, okay, okay. So we are live, and I want to tell you regarding. I guess now I'm live, right? So just a second. Right. So I was telling you regarding the physics project of like class 12 for boards, and in this it's very required that however you write in your physics project is very important. So I was going to discuss regarding physics project, and for my physics project it is to study the water level indicating exam according to the best which suited to me. And so like whatever the session you can write in the class you can write, and for the next thing you can write about physics like your school name and then class and submit it by and submit it to, uh, and then you have this acknowledgement in which you provide special thanks to your teachers, etc. And uh, basically who gave you the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic to study the working of water level indicating exam, which also helped me come me in research and gain knowledge about many new things. Secondly, I would also like to thanks my friends who helped me in this finalizing this project within limited time frame. These types of things help you enhance your performance. And after that, we have the certificate thing in which this is to certify that Anagarga Plus or whatever is the name of the person has prepared the project. That is the certificate case is the one which you already know. You should write the board or number, the date of submission along with it. And index. What you have to write is index. Index is very important thing here. So index may you can write aim, introduction, apparatus required with sample, and the sample we already prepared. The sample consists of many things like resistors, connecting wires, LED, battery cap, and transistor, buzzer, and line volt battery. These all are the things which are present in the, like we have to have the physical samples of these things, and after we get these physical samples, we'll just do the work. And so need for water level indicator, what is the need for water level indicator? Like why whenever we have like tanks of water full, after that we should be alarmed by the situation because we don't know whenever the tank is going to be full, we have just turned on the motor or whatever. And so theory is there, working principle, we should know what the working principle, because after in this going to the school we are supposed to do the project live. And so we should know all these things, advantages and applications, project images. Of course it does not have any disadvantages because we are using it for our purpose, and so it should not have any disadvantages anyways. And then project images, conclusions, precautions, sources of errors, and bibliography. Bibliography includes the links of the sources which you should use, right? So in aim we should write like of course we can make it a bit beautiful, but our teacher said yeah, you can't, if you don't need to make it so beautiful. And to study about the working of water level indicator using light emitting diode, LED, transistor, and resistor. And apparatus required is transistors, resistor, LEDs, light emitting diode, buzzer, 9 volt battery, connecting wires, breadboard, and battery cap. Breadboard, as ma'am told, ma'am will provide me in the school itself. And already we attached the like live, the things. But there also we can like, have this photos also of these things. मतलब हम इनकी फोटोज भी कुछ चिपका सकते हैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया तरीके से. That will help us like make it look more beautiful. And then comes the introduction. The water level indicator employs a simple mechanism to detect and indicate the water level in an overhead tank or on any other water container. The sensing is done by using four probes, which are placed at four different levels on the tank's walls, with the probe 4 to place probe 1 placed in increasing order of height. So probe 1 is the highest, in which it will be telling about the full, otherwise 75%, 50%, 25%, 0%, whatever. And common probe, that is supplying the carrying probe, is placed at the bottom of the tank. The level 4 represents the tank full condition, while level 1 represents the empty tank condition. Hmm. Level, okay, so they were saying, okay, so 4 is on the top. Probe 4 to probe 1 placed in increasing order of height, right? सो इन्होंने थोड़ा उल्टा लिख दिया है यहाँ पे, इन्होंने मतलब लिख दिया है उल्टा. तो मतलब यहाँ पे जो भी लिखा है वो उसने उल्टा लिख दिया है. एनीवेज तो फिर अपन मतलब 4 हाईएस्ट है इनके अकॉर्डिंग. उसके बाद आती है नेक्स्ट चीज, दैट इज for water level need for water level indicator to overcome overflow problems, to prevent wastage of water, to prevent wastage of energy, attention and observation for sustainable use of water and for judicious use of electricity, whatever. आपने मोटर ऑन कर रखी है, पानी भर चुका है, उसके बाद आपको उसकी जरूरत नहीं है, वाटर वेस्ट हो जा रहा है, वाटर टंकी से ओवरफ्लो कर जा रहा है, that is not needed. ओवरफ्लो प्रॉब्लम्स को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए, वेस्ट ऑफ वाटर को, सस्टेनेबल यूज ऑफ वाटर के लिए, बात हमने सेम ही लिखी है, उसको अलग अलग भाषा में लिखा है 5 पॉइंट बना के, तो दैट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. And because we are using one full page for showing every in each single topic, right? And then theory comes, in which resistance we'll be saying that the electrical resistance, the color code resistance we were using here, right? Then comes basically how we are using electrical resistance. Electrical resistance of electrical conductor is a measure of difficulty to pass an electric current to the conductor. The inverse quantity is electrical conductance, the ease with which an electrical current passes. LED is the light emitting diode. A light emitting diode is two lead semiconductors, light source. It is a PN junction diode which emits light when activated when suitable voltage is applied to the leads. And because like मतलब इसके लिए उतनी ज़्यादा लाइक वोल्टेज चाहिए भी नहीं होती. Electrons are able to recombine with electron holes within the device, realizing energy in the form of photons. Releasing energy in the form of photons, realizing power. Never mind. Okay, transistors are the device is a semiconductor device which is used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electric power. It is composed of semiconductor to an electrical circuit, right? And then comes working principle. Working principle again is like the operation of the project is easy to understand. The project contains some main conditions: when there is no water available in the tank, the initial level, when the water starts to fill, when the water is about to have water flow or overflow, and then when we pour water into the bowl, as it reaches y1 at lower level, circuit gets completed and current start to flow where the first lead L1 starts to glow. L1 starts to glow, then L2 starts to glow, then L3 starts to glow, then L4 starts to go. And when the L4 starts to glow, there is a sound by the buzzer. So on continuous addition of water, it reaches to Y2. As it reaches Y2, the maximum level buzzer starts beeping and LED L2 grows. This gives us an indication that the water has reached the maximum level so that we can stop the supply of water. Advantages are easily indicates when water level is full with the beep sound. And then comes low maintenance, compact and elegant design. Now no need of checking water level from the roof. ऊपर जाके नीचे आएंगे वापस तो वाटर लेवल कितना हो गया चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, बात हमने सेम में लिखी हुई है अलग अलग भाषा में. 7 पॉइंट्स बनाए इसके. इंश्योर्स नो ओवरफ्लो और एम्प्टी रनिंग ऑफ द पंप. फुली ऑटोमेटिक विच डज नॉट रिक्वायर ह्यूमन पावर. ह्यूमन को बस अलार्म करने के लिए आवाज है, क्योंकि आवाज ही है जिससे अपन बहुत अलर्ट हो सकते हैं दूर बैठे हुए भी. ठीक है, लाइट आपको उस जगह पे रोशनी कर देगी, बट वो इतनी एलईडी इतनी छोटी सी लाइट है कि आप दूसरे रूम में बैठे हो तो आपको लाइट का पता नहीं चलेगा. साउंड इज व्हाट यू कैन हियर फ्रॉम वन रूम टू अनदर. दैट्स व्हाई जो हमारे फोन्स होते हैं उसके अंदर साउंड होती है ऑब्वियसली, राइट. एंड फुली ऑटोमेटिक विच डज नॉट रिक्वायर ह्यूमन पावर. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंज्यूम्ड इज वेरी लो. Electricity consumed is also very low. We are using LEDs which want very low voltages. And then comes applications. Water level indicator application is used in applications like storage tanks, boilers to indicate the level of water. Can be used to measure underground storage of water. Used to calculate the incoming and outgoing water level in reservoirs. Full level indicator in vehicle. Few level indicators in vehicle. And liquid level indicators in huge containers is in companies. And then we can attach the photos. It will feel very nice. So the photos you can attach by yourself by completing your work, because it is the live photo you have to capture and then you have to paste. And so in this we can't like have some other people's photo, so doing the experiment. So completed circuit is there. Completed circuit, we complete the circuit before water is added. Before water is added we have this thing, and after water is added we just arrange this. When water is added at lowest level, when water is full, so there's beep sound. Sources of error, connections may not be proper, LED or transistor may be damaged. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So conclusion is, therefore, by using this arrangement, we can save wastage of water and electricity. By using this circuit, we can use the problems in an efficient ways, right? Precautions are: make sure that the connections are neat and clean. Current must not be directly supplied to the LED, right? And because the current of directly supplied to the LED can damage also it. Can damage it also, right? Bibliography: NCERT Physics Class 12th we can use, and reference book SL Arora we can use. Wikipedia and www.slideshare.com we can use. And the thank you page can be attached to it. So this is how our project becomes completed. And this is what I told you regarding the project. Rest you can see like project videos which are available in the Google, etc. Regarding how to do that project live, because like in our case the school will make us do the project live there. So whatever you want to do, you can do on your own. So this is our project. Hope I can help people with this project. And this the physics project was fun doing, and you can write this. Of course, like we have been given one full year, but we have like we have to go and get it checked right away, right now in these days, because we are the ultra pro legends. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much.